Good afternoon. My name is Andrew Kosia. I'm sorry about the video a little bit dark, but today I want to talk about sickle cell. Um, I saw my cousin go through sickle cell from the day she was born. It was really difficult for her. You know, um, I see her go through pain. And sometimes she will want us to tie her. Because the drug that they provide her, like to her, it don't help when she's in pain. Um, so I did a lot of research, and today I'm just gonna kind of elaborate a little bit about it. Sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disorder that affects the shape of red blood cell, cause them to become sickle sharp and leading to various complications such as pain, infecting, and organ damage. And infect organ damage. It most prevail among people of African descendant, but can also affect those of Hispanic, Middle East, and Middle eccentric. To understand more about sickle cell disease, I did a lot of research about sickle cell because of what my cousin was going through. You know, um, the research of the disease and create a cousins or statistical data about it is a great starting point. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention CDC is a credible source of information and provide a wealth of data on the prevalence, incidence, and mortality rate of sickle cell disease. Now, according to the CDC, sickle cell disease affects approximately 100,000 Americans and 1 in 13 African American babies, babies that are born with sickle cell trait. In the United States, sickle cell disease is most common among African American with a prevalence rate of 1 in every 365 African American bats. So, can you guys believe that? You know, I did not believe this up to when I did the research about that. I didn't even know, you know, those type of things exist, but it does. We get a lot of people like whatever my cousin was going through, and then when I do the research, that's what I come across. A lot of people are going through the same thing every day. Some are born with it, some are have the trait. You know, the incidence of sickle cell disease varies geographical, with the highest prevail in sub-Saharan Africans and some parts of the Middle East, where up to 10% of this population may be carrier of the disease. In the United States, sickle cell disease is most prevail in the southeast states, including Alabama, Georgia, and Mississippi. But technically, if you look, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, you get a lot of black people around that area and a lot of Mexican, So I think most of those states, black people migrate there. And most of those states, Spanish people, when they come, that's where they go. So mostly you're gonna get those type of amount of numbers of sickle cell babies or people that with sickle cell. you know Sickle cell disease is also associated with higher mortality rates compared to the general population, according to CDC. Sickle cell disease is responsible for an estimate 100,000 deaths global global each year. You hear that? 100,000 global each year. People are dying with sickle cell. And in the United States, the disease is the cause of death for approximately one in every 500 African American in United States. You hear that? One in every 500 American are dying with sickle cell. So, in summary, sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disorder that affects millions of people worldwide with a significant prevail mortality rate among certain population, ex- especially African American. Understanding the statistical data surrounding the disease can help raise awareness and drive efforts towards better prevention, diagnose, and treatment. Thank you. God bless.